Welcome to TripWorks University. Today we're looking at just how easy TripWorks makes setting up and managing an activity, from its identity and photos, all the way through pricing and policies, ready to sell in minutes.
Everything that makes an activity ready to sell, its identity, its marketing copy, its operational settings, its photos, its policies, lives in one clean, organized editor. TripWorks walks you through each piece in order, so setting up or polishing an activity takes minutes, not guesswork. Here's the short version. Open an existing activity, work through basics, photos, and policies in order, and every setting is exactly where you'd expect it, with smart defaults already filled in wherever they can be, like policies inherited straight from your account. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to sell your activities across every channel: e-commerce, walk-ups, phone, and resellers and affiliates, both offline and OTA, all from the same setup you build once. You'll need an existing activity to open. We'll work through configuring it end to end. Every activity you sell lives here in your catalog. Search it, see its status, capacity, and next availability at a glance. Manage categories is right here too. Drag a category up or down to change the order guests shop by. Open an activity and you land on Basics, General Subtab, the identity fields your team needs. Name is what guests see. Internal name is optional and only shown to your logged-in staff. Handy when you want something shorter or clearer than the guest-facing name on the calendar, manifest, and report screens where your team is scanning a long list. Then advertised length and duration, a display color for the calendar, and which categories this activity belongs to. Switch to the description subtab and you're writing for guests, not staff. A short headline hook, a shopper-facing location line, a persuasive short summary, and the full detailed description shown further down the booking page. Short summary and detailed description are both real, rich text editors, not plain boxes. Bold and italic text, bulleted or numbered lists, and links, so your description can actually look like part of a real booking page instead of a wall of plain text. Advanced is the operational side. Receipt footer, text guests see after they pay, which business location runs this activity, and whether the trip status should auto-change once the first payment comes in. Set your activity up once in English, and you don't have to handwrite every other version yourself. TripWorks supports 12 languages: English, Spanish, Chinese, Portuguese, German, Italian, Japanese, Korean, Dutch, Swedish, French, and Russian. Enable whichever ones you sell in, then click Generate Translations. Our AI drafts every enabled language's copy at once. Review the field-by-field diff per language, then apply everything you approve in a single click. Photos splits into two jobs. The hero photo is the first thing a shopper sees on the booking page and at checkout. The gallery below it fills out the story, drag a thumbnail to reorder it, and the grid updates immediately. You set a cancellation policy and confirmation notes once, account-wide, in your global settings, and every activity starts out inheriting account default, using that same wording automatically, kept in sync if you ever update the default. Only the activities that genuinely need different terms, a stricter cancellation window, different arrival instructions, get their own override, right here on that one activity, without touching the account default or any other activity. Two habits that pay off everywhere else in Setup 2. Lean on inherited account defaults instead of rewriting them per activity, and let Generate Translations do the multi-language work for you instead of handwriting it. A fully set up activity has a complete identity, real marketing copy, the right operational settings, a hero photo and an ordered gallery, and policies that are either intentionally customized or simply inherited, all in the same few minutes it took to read through this lesson. Open one of your own activities and work through basics, photos, and policies in that order. Or book a demo if you want to walk through on your own account.
Thanks for watching TripWorks University. Visit tripworks.com to keep learning. And we will see you in the next lesson.